Do you have plans to own a house in the future? Many people do, but sometimes it is hard to get money from the bank to buy a house. This is because the bank wants to make sure you can pay them back. The bank looks at your credit score, which is a number that shows how good you are at paying your bills and debts. If your credit score is low, the bank might not trust you and might not give you money for a house. What is a bad credit score? A credit score is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness based on your credit history and current debt obligations. It ranges from 300 to 850, with higher scores indicating better credit. Different lenders may have different criteria for what they consider a good or bad credit score, but generally, a score below 620 is considered poor or subprime, while a score above 740 is considered excellent or prime. A bad credit score can result from various factors, such as late payments, defaults, bankruptcies, collections, high credit utilization, too many hard inquiries, or a lack of credit history. Having a bad credit score can affect your ability to qualify for various types of loans, including mortgages, car loans, personal loans, and credit cards. It can also affect the terms and conditions of the loans you do qualify for, such as the interest rate, fees, down payment, and loan amount. But don't worry, there are some things you can do to make the bank trust you more. Here are some tips. 1. Find out what your credit score is and why it is low. You can get a free report that tells you your credit score and what makes it low from a website called annualcreditreport.com. You can get a free copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, once a year. You should review your credit report and also look for any negative items that are dragging down your score and try to resolve them as soon as possible. 2. Try to make your credit score higher by paying your bills on time, paying off some of your debts. Avoid applying for new credit from the bank or other places. If you make your credit score higher, the bank will like you more and might give you a better deal on your house loan. 3. Save up some money for a big payment when you buy a house. This payment is called a down payment, and it is part of the price of the house that you pay right away. The rest of the price is what you borrow from the bank. If you have a big down payment, the bank will see that you are serious about buying a house and that you have some money of your own. This will make the bank trust you more and charge you less interest, which is extra money that you pay to the bank for borrowing their money. 4. Look for alternative or government-backed mortgage programs. If you have a bad credit score, you may not qualify for a conventional mortgage, which is a loan that conforms to the standards set by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, the 2 government-sponsored enterprises that buy and sell mortgages on the secondary market. However, you may still qualify for an alternative or government-backed mortgage program, which can have more flexible and lenient requirements for borrowers with low credit scores. Some of the loan options you can consider are Federal Housing Administration, FHA, Department of Veterans Affairs, VA, and the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA. 5. Ask someone who has good credit and income to help you get a loan. This person can be a co-signer or a co-borrower. A co-signer is someone who promises to pay the loan for you if you can't pay it yourself, while a co-borrower is someone who buys the house with you and shares the loan with you. Having someone who has good credit and income on your loan application can make the bank trust you more and give you a better rate. But be careful, because this also means that they are taking a big risk and responsibility for your loan. So make sure they know what they are doing and that they agree to help you. Buying a house with bad credit can be hard, but it is not impossible. Remember, it is important to learn about different banks and loans and compare them before choosing one. With some work and patience, you can make your dream of having your own house come true. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Let me know what you think about it, and please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.